Today, I will introduce the debugging process for an M-line total phosphorus analyzer after its delivery. First, you can choose to install this table as a standalone piece or wall-mounted. After assembly, first open the lid, which contains reagent tubes and a purified water bottle. Next, all the lacing straps on the reagent tubes need to be removed. The two tubes are the cleaning liquid tube and the waste liquid tube. First, remove the bottle. Then, thread the tube through it and insert it into the pre-prepared waste liquid container. The other tubes were also processed in the same manner, with the tying straps cut off. Water sample tubes, reagent tubes, standard solution tubes, and purified water tubes required for use. The site requires a self-provided barrel of distilled water, with a hole drilled at the top to insert the water outlet pipe. According to the labels, place reagent 1, reagent 3, and reagent 2 into their respective reagent buckets. Insert the standard solution tube into the standard solution container. Ensure the standard solution is fully filled during installation and the top hole must be manually drilled on set. The water sample tube clamp was removed, and the same procedure was followed to insert it through the aperture into the pre-prepared pipeline on site. The rest of the unused items can be left open inside. After installation, proceed to the second step. Plug in the power supply by locating the power socket and switch. Sign in first. The device has two passwords. One is the operator password, which only allows data viewing and does not permit debugging or calibration. The other is the administrator password, 1210, which is specified in the manual. After successful login, the first step is to select maintenance, as the reagent is newly installed and requires replacement to purge the air from the tubing. After the reagent replacement, click Sample Replacement, then select Distilled Water Replacement and Standard Solution Replacement. You will need to wait approximately 2 minutes. This step can only be completed automatically. If a pipeline ruptures or rejects are improperly loaded, it will automatically trigger an alarm, allowing for inspection of the pipeline and reagents based on the corresponding alarm conditions. After this step, proceed to the second calibration step. Establish a standard solution based on the on-site water quality and provide the standard solution concentration. Currently, the standard solution is calibrated at 5 with a measurement range of 0 to 10 milligrams per liter. Manually enter the standard solution value 5. Calibration count 0 sample 2, standard solution 1. Select to be calibrated in the 5th row. Then click Save and click Execute. This step will take about an hour and a half to complete. After calibration, a K value, B value, and R value will be generated. Under standard conditions, the range of K value is 1 plus or minus 0.1, and the closer the B value is to 0, the better. You can proceed with the measurement settings. Back to the main measurement. There are two primary measurement methods: offline measurement and online measurement. During offline measurement, the prepared water sample tube can be placed in a beaker, or the standard solution can be measured directly. Measure from the pipe corresponding to the selected inlet. The measurement modes include periodic mode, hourly mode, and the maintenance mode. Timed measurement is a whole hour measurement. You can set it to the whole hour. Green indicates selected, gray indicates unselected. Select and click Save. This is our timing measurement. Period measurement has a period setting in the settings interface. If it is a manual test, it is approximately every 30 minutes. You can also set it to measure every 20 minutes. Click Save. During online measurement, data can be uploaded. This step only allows water sample selection. The measurement cycle and timing are consistent with offline measurements. The range is set during calibration and cannot be changed. After completing the settings, the device will work properly. Total Phosphorus Rigid Accessory Kit contains one instruction manual. Open the accessory kit. Remove the Total Phosphorus Solid Reagent 1A and Total Phosphorus Solid Reagent 1B in sequence. Total Phosphorus Solid Reagent 2. Total Phosphorus Solid Reagent 3. Open the Total Phosphorus Solid Standard Substance. Finally, prepare the reagents according to the instructions.